We want to talk today a little bit about direct mail. A lot of people think direct mail is old, it's tired, it's worn out. It doesn't work because we've got the internet, right? Well, I've got some news for you. Direct mail still works great, but there's a few things that you need to consider. First of all, you ought to think about how to cut through the clutter. We use colorful, oversized pieces in order to get our message across, because if you're just trying to get your message out there in a plain old number 10 envelope, it's going to be hard to have people read it, and it's going to be hard to have that break through the clutter. Secondly, the thing that people ignore with direct mail all the time is an offer. And colleges and universities are particularly bad at creating an offer. You see, there's three important criteria to making direct mail work. One is the list, two is the offer, and the third is the creative. And most of us spend all our time on the creative, and creative's nice. You know, we like creative. We like it to be colorful. That's going to help it cut through the clutter. But creative is only 20% of what makes direct mail work. 40% is list and 40% is offer. So what do you do for an offer? Well, here's one that we did. We offered a free book. This was with a search piece that we did for a college. And when we put this offer on here for a free book, along with some other things like personalization, which we'll talk about in another tip, but when we put an offer on here, we were able to double our response rate from the previous year. So if you're talking about direct mail and if you're wondering, does it work? My answer is yes. Remember list, offer, creative, and remember to cut through the clutter. That's our tip for this month. Thanks for tuning in.